Spring has sprung. The world awakens from its winter slumber, and everywhere you look, life is bursting forth with renewed energy. It's a time of renewal, fresh beginnings, and the perfect opportunity to get your hands dirty in the garden. Vibrant colors burst forth in nature's grand spectacle, painting the landscape with hues of red, yellow, and purple. The air is abuzz with the industrious hum of bees, tirelessly working to pollinate the flowers. The gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of blossoms, a fragrance that promises the bounty of the season. What better way to celebrate this magical season than by creating your own symphony of colors with a vibrant flower garden? Imagine the joy of watching your garden come to life, each bloom a testament to your care and dedication. Spring offers the perfect conditions for new life to thrive, with its mild temperatures and ample rainfall. The soil, warmed by the sun's gentle caress, eagerly awaits the promise of seeds. It's a fertile ground ready to nurture new growth. The days lengthen, bathing your garden in the golden glow that fuels growth. This extended daylight is crucial for photosynthesis, helping your plants to flourish. With a little planning and a touch of enthusiasm, you can transform your backyard into a breathtaking tapestry of floral beauty. Sketch out your garden layout, choose your favorite flowers, and get ready to plant. But it's not just about aesthetics. A well-planned garden can also support local wildlife, providing food and habitat for birds, bees, and butterflies. Gardening is an incredibly rewarding hobby. It brings a sense of accomplishment and joy, knowing that you are nurturing life. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to get your hands dirty in the best way possible, and to witness the miracle of life unfolding before your very eyes. Each seed you plant is a promise of beauty and growth. So grab your gardening gloves and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and discover. I'll be your guide, sharing tips and tricks I've learned over the years to help you create a spring garden that will be the envy of the neighborhood. From soil preparation to plant selection, we'll cover it all. Let's get planting. Together, we'll create a garden that's not only beautiful, but also a sanctuary for you and the local wildlife. Now comes the fun part, choosing your floral companions. This is where your garden truly begins to take on a personality of its own. This is where you can let your creativity blossom. Think of your garden as a blank canvas, ready to be filled with a palette of colors and textures. Do you envision a romantic cottage garden overflowing with pastel hues, delicate roses and peonies? Or perhaps a bold and modern display of vibrant contrasts with striking colors that catch the eye? Let's start with some classic spring favorites. These timeless beauties never fail to impress. Tulips and daffodils, those cheerful harbingers of spring, are always a delight. Their vibrant colors signal the end of winter and the start of a new growing season. Their bulbs, planted in the fall, lie dormant through the winter, gathering strength and energy, just waiting to erupt in a kaleidoscope of color as the days grow longer. It's a magical transformation that never ceases to amaze. For a touch of whimsy, consider adding some annuals to your garden. These plants are perfect for filling in gaps and adding bursts of color. Pansies, with their charming faces, add a playful touch, bringing smiles to anyone who sees them, while petunias offer a cascade of vibrant blooms that last all summer long. They are perfect for hanging baskets and containers. Don't forget about the low-maintenance beauties. These plants require minimal care but provide maximum impact. Lavender, with its soothing aroma and beautiful purple spikes, is a must-have. It's not only visually appealing but also functional. It attracts beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for a healthy garden. Remember, variety is key. Mixing different types of flowers with varying heights, colors, and bloom times creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. This will ensure a long-lasting display of color that evolves throughout the spring season, keeping your garden looking fresh and vibrant. Before we welcome our floral friends, we need to prepare their new home. This is the foundation of a thriving garden. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting a masterpiece. The better the preparation, the more vibrant the result. First, we need to clear the way for new growth. This involves removing any obstacles that could hinder our plants. This means bidding farewell to any weeds that have taken up residence over the winter. Weeds can be quite tenacious, so be thorough. These pesky invaders compete with your flowers for nutrients and sunlight. They can quickly overrun a garden if left unchecked. A good weeding session is a workout for your garden and your soul. It's a chance to connect with the earth and set the stage for healthy growth. Next, it's time to loosen the soil. This step is crucial for root development. Think of it as fluffing up a pillow to make it more inviting. Loosening the soil allows air and water to penetrate more easily. Compacted soil makes it difficult for roots to penetrate and access the water and nutrients they need to thrive. It's like trying to grow in concrete. A garden fork or tiller will help you achieve that perfect, crumbly texture. This texture is ideal for root expansion and nutrient absorption. Finally, let's give our soil a nutritious boost with some compost. This step enriches the soil, making it fertile and ready for planting. This black gold of the gardening world is like a superfood smoothie for your plants, packed with essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. It's the secret to a lush, vibrant garden. Spread a generous layer over your prepared soil and gently work it in. This final touch ensures your garden is ready to support a season of beautiful blooms and healthy growth. With soil and gently firm it around the base of the plant. Section 5. Nurturing nature's bounty, watering and spacing. Congratulations, you've planted your spring garden. Now let's talk about giving those fledgling plants the best start in life. Watering is crucial, especially in the early stages. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A good deep watering once or twice a week is better than frequent shallow watering. And remember, the best time to water is in the morning, giving the plants a chance to absorb the moisture before the heat of the day. Spacing is another important factor. Cramming too many plants together is like inviting them to a party where there's not enough food to go around. Give your plants enough room to spread their roots and reach their full potential. A good rule of thumb is to follow the spacing guidelines on the plant tag or seed packet. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that planting in odd-numbered clusters, 3, 5, 7, is more visually appealing than even numbers? It creates a more natural and dynamic look. Section 6. The art of maintenance, keeping your garden thriving. A little TLC goes a long way in the garden. With some simple maintenance, you can ensure your spring blooms continue to dazzle. Mulching is like tucking your plants in with a cozy blanket. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch like bark chips or shredded leaves around your plants, keeping it a few inches away from the stems. Fertilizing gives your plants an extra boost of nutrients. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide a steady supply of nourishment throughout the growing season. Follow the instructions on the package for application rates. Deadheading, or removing spent blooms, not only keeps your garden looking tidy, but also encourages more flowers to form. Section 7. Troubleshooting for triumph, common mistakes and solutions. Even the most experienced gardeners encounter challenges from time to time. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot those gardening gremlins. One common mistake is overwatering. Yellowing leaves, wilting, and stunted growth can all be signs of too much H2O. Check the soil moisture before watering. If it feels damp, hold off for a day or two. Another culprit is poor drainage. If water pools on the surface after watering, you may have compacted soil. Aerate the soil with a garden fork and add some organic matter to improve drainage. Pests and diseases can also wreak havoc on your garden. Keep a watchful eye out for any signs of trouble, like holes in leaves, discoloration, or wilting. Early detection is key to preventing widespread damage. Section 8. Adding a touch of whimsy, decorative delights for your garden. Your garden is a reflection of your unique style and personality. Why not add some decorative touches to create a truly enchanting outdoor oasis? Garden art can add a touch of whimsy and charm. Think colorful gazing balls, whimsical wind chimes, or even a charming birdhouse to attract feathered friends. Solar lights are a practical and pretty way to illuminate your garden path or highlight your favorite plants. As the sun sets, they'll cast a magical glow, creating a captivating ambiance. Don't forget about seating. A comfortable bench nestled among the blooms provides the perfect spot to relax, unwind, and soak up the beauty of your creation. Section 9. Blooming with confidence, sharing your springtime success. Congratulations, you've done it. You've transformed your backyard into a vibrant tapestry of spring blooms. Now it's time to step back, admire your handiwork, and bask in the satisfaction of a job well done. Remember those key tips we covered? Choosing the right plants, prepping the soil, proper planting techniques, consistent watering, and a little TLC along the way. With these tools in your gardening arsenal, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Gardening is a journey of continuous learning and discovery. Embrace the process. Don't be afraid to experiment, and most importantly, have fun. And when your garden is in full bloom, Be sure to share your success with friends, family, and fellow garden enthusiasts. I'd love to hear about your favorite spring flowers and any tips you've picked up along the way. Happy gardening!